Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna do a enzyme facial on myself, and the enzyme of choice is going to be pineapple. So let's get started. So right now I am cleansing my face with green tea cleanser. Now I'm removing the cleanser off with a hot towel. Bye-bye brows, they're gone. That's okay, I'm gonna draw them back on. You like how I came back with my headband on, huh? Now I'm cleansing my face for the second time using the glycolic cleanser. And again, I am removing the cleanser off with a warm towel. Now I'm applying a little vitamin C green tea serum before I apply the enzyme. So the pineapple enzyme is great for normal and sensitive skin, and it's also good for first-time enzyme clients. Some of the benefits are anti-aging, hydrating, moisturizing, helps manage breakouts, reduces heat rash, and it's great for hyperpigmentation. So this is an awesome enzyme for the summer months. Probably year-round, but the summer months for sure. All right, so now I'm sitting down. Not sure why I was standing up in the first place, but I am comfortably seated. And I have the enzyme. I'm working it in my skin with the fan brush while the steamer is blowing. So I keep this on for about 7 to 10 minutes. So now I'm removing the enzyme with just some clean, damp sponges. And then I will go in and use a hot towel to get the rest of the residue off of my face. This smells good. I want to eat it. The mask I'm applying is the Sweet Almond Mask. And the benefits are it's hydrating, softens and plumps the skin for a radiant complexion. To assist in the removal of the mask, I'm using my BT Micro to kind of get the mask off just a little bit faster. Creamier masks are harder to remove with just sponges and a hot towel. So now you see I'm using the sponges to remove the rest of the mask, and then I will go in with a hot towel to get every thing off that's left. Now I start layering my face with my serums. And next I move towards my under eye. You want to be very gentle with this area of your eye because it is the thinnest of skin on your face. So you kind of want to just dab and tap, tap, tap to put your eye cream on. Now I am putting on my moisturizer, and I always like to hit different corners of my face just to make sure I have enough. So I always hit the 4 places, and then I just moisturize my skin. And you want to do that so that you can evenly spread the moisturizer. If you feel like you don't use enough, then you can always add more. You never want to do too much and waste your product. After your moisturizer, you put on your sunscreen. So I hit the 4 or 5 spots on my face to make sure it was evenly spread. So I treat myself just like I do my clients. So I finish off my facial with this yummy, delicious, moisturizing lip polisher to top everything off. And as you can see, I am pleased. I'm finished.